So today we'll be discussing about three features which are most frequently used features. Of course, simple though, but still those are most important because they are used everywhere. One thing is sorting, okay, and then
Yeah.
groups, and then
Okay.
sets, okay,
Sets. Okay.
sorting, groups, and sets. Okay, so
Okay.
let us go through some features. What are the various, how we can manage sorting and all. So basically there are two types of sorting. Okay, one is computed sorting and another one is manual sorting. Computed sorting means
Okay.
it goes by something like sorted by alphabetical order or sorted by ascending order, like that. If you want
Okay.
to sort manually, not by alphabetical order or not by ascending order, if you want to sort some dimension values manually, you can sort using manual sorting also.
Okay.
Okay, so there are various options again where we can apply sorting. We can apply sorting on an axis, on a text table, or how does it work in a hierarchy. We'll go through them. Okay,
Okay.
let's start. So yeah, I'm using a data source saved. Let us. Why don't you guide me? What are the fields you are interested in?
For sorting, we can try sorting with customer names will be more, but we can try
States, cool.
state wise.
Yeah, I'll take states. Then let me put it in rows. It is good. Yeah. Then
So states, it's already in ascending order. And we can also sort sales. Sales can be,
yeah,
yeah, ascending and descending.
sales. Cool. That's it. Anything else?
Yes.
Okay, let us try with.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, basic.
Yeah, basically. So as we discussed earlier, uh, here we have a couple of options to sort it by ascending order of sales or by descending order of the sales.
Okay.
Okay. Here, like this, you can sort by using the sales. Alternatively, you can also sort using the axis. See, you can sort as
Okay.
ascending or descending. Okay, it is I think it is if you click it third time, it will get it you to the default position without sorting. Okay,
Yeah.
first time ascending, descending, second time ascending, then if I click it again, it is getting to the
Yeah.
default
Normal.
without sorting. So we have option like this on the axis. Okay,
Okay.
and then here we are sorting using measure sales.
Yes. Yes.
If you
So
want to,
always is it a measure that is being sorted, or we
no,
can manually sort the sales,
yeah,
like
we may need to
we can
sort it
manually
on
type.
the state also, right?
Yes.
Not only on the measure, we may need to sort it on the dimension also,
Dimension.
right?
Yes.
So in that case, what we can do is, see, there is an option here, sort. Okay,
Okay.
if you click on that, it is there. Here you have option to choose either it is ascending order or descending order. It is already in ascending order, so let us choose descending order. Okay, then
Okay.
do you want to go by data source order or alphabetical order or by field? So here there is an option again for this thing, sales or any other field. Okay, let us choose alphabetic order.
Can we choose the field and see, because that's a bit tricky one.
Field, if I choose the sales and sum of sales, that is the one we are using it here. Yeah, we'll go through
So
that one
here we
also.
can even change the aggregation.
Exactly, we have more options. So we'll go through that one also. Okay, if I choose as
Okay.
alphabetic order, and descending it is descending by alphabetical order, right?
Okay. Okay.
So like that you can manage sorting here. And let us try with field. So here it is sum of sales. Of course it is available using the toolbar option and as well as axis also. What are more options? Let us go through. So instead of going through sales, I can go through profit also. Now it is sorting by ascending order of profit. Sorry, descending order of profit, not by
Okay.
sales.
But there is no profit in column and row shelf.
Exactly. It is not there.
But
But
again, it
still,
is
yeah,
yeah,
still we can use
it
it.
is invisible. But again, the sorting is according to that.
Exactly. If you want to make it visible, you can apply some color, right? Profit and color.
Okay.
You can represent it like this.
Yeah.
See, sales is
Okay.
less, but profit is more. It is gradient
Okay.
is going light, right? So likewise,
Mm.
you can see it is reddish at the end.
So we don't have the description for this in the left side, like which is the like high profit and which is the low profit. Uh,
So
to
here
know
we
that.
are representing using color, right?
Yeah.
Alternately, you can use that label also. I mean, it is
Okay.
your choice. I mean, how best we can visualize it, it is up to us. Okay, it depends. Maybe sometimes
Okay.
we use color, sometimes we use labels.
Okay.
Got it right?
Yes, got it.
Okay. Then, alternatively, what we can do is sort and say, I will sort by unique customer count. See,
Okay.
I choose customer ID field and I said count distinct. Now if I use that, it is going by number of customers, not by sales or profit. Number of customers in each
Yeah.
state. Okay,
So the number of customers are minus 15,000.
where? No, it was showing you profit, right? The labels were profits.
Oh, oh, these are profit
Yeah, label
ones.
is profit. That's the reason I am removing it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so that's how you can uh, use sorting in various purposes. Okay, so
Oh,
if you want to label them, count D of customer, right?
yeah.
And apply label button.
Okay. So the same thing we can do it here in the
Hmm.
marks sheet as well.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
clear, right?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Okay, cool. So that is about sorting using various fields and using sort dialog box. If it is sorted, there is an icon here. See, sorted icon. It
Yeah.
is sorted. This field is sorted. There is an icon. Is it
Okay.
visible? So that is the
Yes, it
representation.
is.
It is saying
Okay.
that it is sorted. Okay.
Sorted according to
Yeah. Something.
sales.
Okay. Let us go through axis we have covered. Okay, we did not cover sorting a text table and hierarchy. So let us see. I will take subcategory. Okay, and then sales. I will take a text table. Okay, and let us say I will take profit also. Okay, so now here
Yeah.
also you can sort the text table.
Oh.
You can sort on the any field.
Okay.
Clear, right? And alternately, you have the pop-up option also.
Okay.
Okay, and here also you have the option. It is sorting by subcategory. You can see the tooltip,
Yeah.
right? So likewise,
If we want to change it to measure names.
this one, okay. Simplest thing is drag and drop whatever you want, and say text table. Okay, it will arrange everything,
Okay.
and you can modify everything. This measure names, and there is another thing, measure values. How to use it, and how to customize it particularly, we will discuss in later sessions. Okay, but
Okay.
what you can do is
So now the
just
main
show me.
thought I can see in the toolbar, if I'm hovering the mouse over the sort option, then I'm able to see sorting according to subcategory.
Yes,
Is there, okay, now it is showing measure value,
I mean
ascending by measure values.
ascending by measurement values. That is what it is showing earlier also.
If I want to see, instead of subcategory, if I want to see measure names in that bar, is it possible?
No, no, it takes some default things.
Okay, it is
If you want
taken.
to sort by any specific thing, you can sort using it here.
Okay.
Okay, I mean here you have the direct
Okay.
option anyway. When it's textable, it is most friendly.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
let us save this and say sorting twx, sorting, grouping also we will be covering. I'm not sure we can cover sets, so let us finish these two. Okay,
Okay.
so we are able to sort the this thing, text. Okay, and then alternatively we can also sort. Let me copy this. Hmm, okay, let me take category on the color.
Okay.
Okay, so here also I can apply sort. See, here you can manually sort it, or what you can do is sort by field and sales. So it will show you whichever category it has more sales, or in ascending order. So that's what it is, in ascending order. It is already in ascending order, it seems. You can say descending order. See, it is getting changed, and it will be useful when you have more number of fields, more number of values. Okay,
Okay.
and it will be specifically useful uh, when it has, let's say, scatter plot. Okay, now it has very few values. Let me disaggregate the data, so it will have more values. Now
What is that disaggregate?
I said uh, aggregate measures, I have unchecked it. If I aggregate measures, it will get all the data at a view granularity. If I say uncheck this, it will get at the row granularity. We will discuss that, the terminology and all. We will discuss in later sessions. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what I can do is, see here, uh, whatever values are on the top. See, the blue color is visible, more visible, right? If I sort it,
Yeah.
if I oops, so, see, now I brought art into first place. Now, okay, art is not there, is it? Art is not there, and there are very few values, it seems, for art. Okay, it is accessories dominating. Okay, let me take sorting here. What we'll do is we'll take sales, sum of sales, descending. See, phones is on the top now because phone
Yes.
sales is the much higher than anything else. So this way also we can apply sorting. Did you get?
Can you repeat that again?
Yeah.
Like,
So
yeah, can you just repeat this whole process?
so what I am doing is,
So you're going into subcategories and sorting?
yeah, sorting on subcategory on the marks card. Okay.
Yeah, on the marks.
Yeah, and choose sales and sum of sales descending order. Now those subcategories which has highest sales will be on the top, on the top of this marks, so they will be visible first. Did you notice it? Let me, I mean, this is descending order, right? Let me keep it ascending order. Now phones is on top because phones has more sales, right?
Yeah. Highest
Yeah.
profit,
Now
yes.
it is
Red
technology. So technology
technology.
has I mean less sales.
Okay.
Okay, that way you can apply sorting.
So where is it showing that it is less and more? How are we
No, here we are changing
getting
this.
that
Hmm.
analysis? How are we getting that analysis? It's not saying that red is less and something like that.
I mean, of course, you can apply gradient for that. I mean, here we did not apply gradient. Here it doesn't mean that red is less. We didn't mean that.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, we are just applying different colors. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
So that way you can,
So
yeah,
it is just to have, um, like for technologies it is for something else, for furniture it is something else, for art it is something else. Just to make a differentiation between all the categories we are using colors. Is
yeah,
that
colors and
what is
different
bottom
shapes,
line of this?
different shapes and colors.
Yeah, colors and shapes. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So, I mean, that's
Okay.
how we can apply sorting. So, we can manage which subcategory or which category is rendered at the top, because all others will not be visible, right? So that's the reason we can apply sorting here also. Okay,
Mm. Okay.
and then let's say I have region. Okay, and then I have states and sum of sales. Okay, now here also I can apply sorting on regions or on state, or here we have only one measure, so we can use this one. See, if I apply
Okay.
sorting on region, it is sorting, right? And if I
Yes.
apply sorting on state, see, notice this sorting is applied within region, not across the regions.
Yeah.
Did you notice it? So all the
Yes.
states within this region are getting sorted, not by across the states. See, still,
Total process.
yeah, it
Yeah.
is starting with C and we are ascending order, but still it is here, not here.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so sorting,
Yeah.
uh,
I get the difference.
when we have more than one this thing, more than one fields, or in a hierarchy, when we have a hierarchy, then it is considered only for that
Useful.
field. It will respect this order and then it will sort only this one.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so that's how.
Yeah.
Here, worth noting is we can create hierarchies like this. See, I can hold this state and drop on region and state. Okay, there is that. Yeah.
So is this a
Region. So
building hierarchy?
Yeah, it is a hierarchy now. I can apply
Oh,
down like that, expand and minimize like this.
okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so like that I can create hierarchies. I can create hierarchies like this, category and subcategory also.
Okay.
Okay, so if I drag this, if I use this, both will be uh, brought into this view shelves. Okay, if I want to use individual fields, still I can use it. Okay,
Okay.
and I can use it for drill down purpose, drill down
Yeah.
and drill up purpose. Okay,
Yes.
that is about
For
start.
measures, we can't do the drill down, drill up, but for the
Yeah, it
dimensions, we
doesn't
can
need.
always have.
Yeah, only for dimensions.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is about
Yeah.
computed sorting. Okay,
Okay.
clear, right?
Yeah. Clear.
Okay, so let us go through manual sorting. That is simple though. Uh, let me take. Let us choose some other field. We are almost dealing with same fields, right? Uh,
Yeah.
suggest something. Mm,
That depends on what we are trying
yeah,
to
yeah.
use.
Okay, let us take
I
state
mean,
only.
what is the scenario?
Yeah, let us take state only. Okay, and then sales. Okay, so here I can choose sort it, manual sorting, and I can choose anyone to be on the top, irrespective of the alphabetical order or anything else. Okay, if I feel I want like this, if you want to represent some fields on top, I mean some important customers or some important states, you can keep them on the top like this, or you can
Okay.
move up and down.
Okay.
Okay, so and
Okay.
it applies like this. Okay,
Okay.
and let us take this. You can choose any particular thing and drag it like this. Okay,
Okay. Instead of like going into the sorting
yes,
thing and then doing, we
I
can
can choose.
even just drag in.
Yes, I can choose headers. Okay, and
But this is done after the report is executed, and that is done before the report is executed.
sorry, I didn't get.
Like if you are changing it now,
Okay,
then it is like the query is getting executed after the report is generated. Now it is changing again. But when we are changing
it
it
is
in
all
the sorting thing,
sorting and all are internal, not it is not affect again hitting the database again.
okay,
It doesn't need to be right.
okay,
No, of course,
doesn't it?
if you are
It
using
is
something else, like if you are using other field which is not in the view, like as we
okay,
did it earlier, uh, choosing profit instead of sales for sorting,
okay, okay, yeah,
then it need to be
okay.
okay.
Otherwise, it's not affecting the data source.
Yeah,
I mean, it is not hitting the database.
no, no.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
yeah,
so alternatively what you can do is, if you want to sort multiple this thing, okay, select multiple thing,
yeah,
and you can say sort here using tool.
okay, okay,
Okay, so
yeah,
you can apply multiple, so you can select multiple and say sort,
okay,
right?
yep,
Yeah, so that is about sorting, and we have discussed about manual sorting and overlapping data while using scatter plot, we discussed, right? When there are more than when there are many marks overlapped, we can get which need to be on the top, which need to be on the bottom, like that, right?
Yeah.
Then we used
Yeah.
using tooltip and toolbar, right? To select,
Yeah.
we have to, we can use, we can apply sorting for selected items also, right?
Yeah.
And of course, you can use the
Yeah.
same, not only on this, oops, not only on tooltip, you can apply same sort here also.
Okay.
I mean, only selected are getting sorted here. No, no others are remaining same. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So that is about sorting.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. Shall we proceed
Just
to?
with the scattered plot, I was a bit
Are you
confused.
not clear?
Yes.
So I mean here
Just
we are
do this
trying.
again. What is the scenario? Just like what is the baseline conclusion that we are trying to get over here?
I mean, what we are trying to do is here it is overlapped, right? See, it is. I
Yes.
mean, all the marks are overlapped. We don't know
Yes.
what are the underlying marks here. Okay, so
Yeah.
now what we can do is we can apply sorting here to get most relevant marks or most I mean, those subcategories I am interested in by using something like
Okay.
sales, like,
So, like for example, if we have, if the more sales is
yeah,
displaying in a huge thing,
yes,
then we want to see the least sales
yes,
for that place. So,
exactly,
in that case, we are using this.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, exactly.
So
Okay.
then we are having to select here descent and then which column and then okay.
I didn't get it.
So here we are selecting descending.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we can choose ascending or descending, and we can choose
Descending will show the lead sales.
descending means highest will be on the top.
Yeah, highest will be on the top. Okay, now it will be showing the huge sales.
Yeah,
To see the least sales, then we can go for the ascending. If we want to see huge sales, then we can go for descending.
exactly.
Okay.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
that is about
Okay.
sorting. Then
Okay.
there is another feature, groups. Okay,
Okay.
so what are the groups, or why these groups are used is most of the times what happens is we will be collecting data from multiple sources. Let's say I collect data from one distributor who is operating in Hyderabad and Bangalore, and also from other distributor who is operating in both Hyderabad and Chennai, like that. Okay, so
Okay.
while collecting report, I mean data from multiple sources, what happens is some guy calls. I mean, in some guy's database, Hyderabad will be coded as HYD,
That's already. Yeah.
and in some other
So
database, it will be Hyderabad completely.
Hyderabad.
Okay, so
Yes.
they will use their own naming conventions. Okay,
Yes.
and once we receive the data, we have to map the data, right? We have to appropriately use the data. I have
Yes.
to say that I have to map that HYD and Hyderabad both are same,
Yes.
right? For those kind of manipulations, or to correct data errors, or any, let's say if there is any spelling mistakes or alias names like Chennai and Madras, like that. Okay,
Yeah.
so those, for those kind of stuff, what we can do is we can group those dimension values into one value. We know that
Okay.
it is when those two are representing same. We know that.
Same thing.
Not
Yeah.
the Tableau doesn't know that, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So like that, we can for in those kind of scenarios we can use grouping.
We need to group.
Yeah. Let us. Let us go through a sample scenario. Just give me 1 second. I need to attend a call. Okay.
Okay, sure, sure.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I cannot avoid
Yeah, that's
this
okay.
kind of calls. Yeah. Uh, okay. So yeah, we started discussing on groups, and we got. I mean, groups are primarily used to correct data errors. Okay. Let me show
Yeah.
you something like that. Let us say I have mm, some products. Okay. Um, Under some products, what I can do is uh, which has some similar names. Okay, yeah, this is good. See, 3D systems, cube printer, second generation, white and magenta. Okay, so here,
Yeah.
yeah, there are two different products for different colors, right?
Right.
But
Right.
while analyzing the data, I want to analyze it together, not by different color. I want to analyze whether it is white color or magenta color. I don't really bother. I want to uh, I mean, I want to analyze together. I treat it as the same product. Okay.
Okay.
Then what I can do, I can select those feeds, those values, and I can say group. Okay.
Okay.
Now here I can give some name like this. Here instead of giving magenta and all, I can give 3D Systems Cube Printer second generation. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. And whenever I use this particular field on the this thing, this member will be available, not these members on the grid. Let me show you.
Okay.
You got it right?
Yeah. So you say that the name
Yeah.
will be like the first one, but the it will contain all those
Hmm.
subcategories as
Yes. Yes. Okay. I have chosen only few values because there are too many values. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm still using the old one. See, there is a new member created. Product
well. Yeah.
name group. Okay, here we can give a name also for this. If once I use this, okay, so here, see, now there is 3D systems cube printer second generation, not magenta and
Yes.
white. Only
Yes.
one member is available, and that is treated as
Okay.
one thing, right?
Okay.
So this way I can use, and I can say, and imagine that is representing Chennai and Madras.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Got it, right? So that way
So
I
yeah.
can, uh, I can I can group similar products or something like that, where
But this
there are data errors.
grouping in
Okay.
this grouping is to be done across data sources. We are doing in only one data source.
Yeah, yeah. It is possible in one data source only.
In one data source only.
Yeah, one.
Can't we do it across the data sources?
No, no, no. It doesn't because uh, I mean it can be some other this thing also, right? It can be Excel also, or it can be SQL server database also. So I mean,
Okay.
to, then we have to create. Uh, we have to blend the data and create new fields there.
Oh,
There is some process if you
so
want to
you,
do that. There is
like
no
if
direct way.
okay, so for suppose the scenario is like as you said in Hyderabad they have a head office and they have one more in Chennai,
Hmm.
and the naming convention in Hyderabad is in like HYD, and
Hmm.
when they have in Chennai they have put the Hyderabad name as Hyderabad.
Hmm.
So they want the manager, the CEO or whoever wants the reports for both the things,
Hmm.
HYD and these things.
Hmm.
So both are in different data sources at that time.
Yes.
So most of the time it will be in different data sources according to the scenario.
Not really. I mean,
So
we will be collecting the data from different sources and we will be processing them through ETL and all, and we will be getting that into single data source, right?
so we are doing that process, or is it done by BI analyst?
No, no, the SQL developers, those kind of guys. Okay, if it is within the same
Okay.
enterprise, most of the time they will be sharing the data source. If it is across different enterprises, different entities, then the problem comes into picture. Okay.
Okay.
Now, during that time, we will concatenate the data and we will use other. I mean, there will be ETL process and all before that.
Okay. So that is not to be bothered by us. That is carried by someone
No,
else.
sometimes it may need to be. Sometimes, I mean, most of the times they will take care of it. I mean, at least this kind
Okay.
of data errors, most of the times they will be processed during the ETL process itself. Of course, if you are dealing with smaller set of data, and if you are dealing with file data sources, then you may have to do it yourself.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, let me take you some other example. Uh, Let us take sales, and let us take uh, subcategories. Okay, let us sort this, and now what I want to do is I want to select multiple subcategories like high profit, high I mean profit subcategories, or high sales subcategories, and I can say group. See, there is an icon here, paperclip icon.
Yeah.
Okay, I can use this one and say I can create a group. Now see, I mean this one is applied on the color by default. See, now
Okay.
all these are represented in one color, remaining groups or values are represented in different color, and there is a
Okay.
field created, subcategory group.
Okay.
So like this also I can create groups by selecting marks on the view.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Any question?
No.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, any, do you have any question?
No, no, no.
Okay, cool. So, yeah, like that, I can create groups in multiple ways. And here also, there is a paperclip icon. See, I will remove this. Okay, we have option here on the tooltip and also here.
Okay, yeah.
I can say this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that way also I can create groups. And let's
Okay.
say I will take sales. I will take region and category. Okay, let us take, yeah, this is better. Now I'm selecting different marks. Okay, and
Yeah.
I'm grouping, right?
Yes.
I have one option here to create group using all dimensions or only category or only region,
Why is it giving those options?
because
Because we
it
have
has multiple
to.
dimensions.
Okay.
Okay, so far we have created groups with only one dimension,
Yes.
but this way we can group using, I mean, we can create a group with multiple dimensions also.
Yes.
Let us create this. See, where is that? Category and region. Where is that? This one, this group. See, here, did you notice? This is office supplies is
Yeah.
category. Central is
Yes.
region.
Region.
So the combination is a group.
Okay.
We did not select all the subcategories in central region, all the categories in central region. We selected only office supplies.
Okay.
Okay, we
So
selected only,
office supplies in central region got clubbed into one,
yeah,
and office supplies in east region got clubbed into one.
yeah,
So
technology and south
yeah,
into another one.
into one. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you can create dimension, I mean, groups
So
on
basically, it
multiple
did
dimensions.
group according to the region.
No, according to using region and as well as subcategories.
Yeah, subcategories that we selected.
Hmm. Both. Here also it is grouping on regions we have selected. If I let's say I will remove west. Okay, I will remove west. What happened? Did I remove it? Okay, office supply is still there. So what did we remove? Technology we removed, is it?
Yes.
Alright. See, it is only those regions selected and those subcategories selected. And again, we are selecting same subcategory. Uh, Let us change it a bit. Instead of East office supply, what I will take is East furniture. Okay, see, now it is East furniture and South office supplies and Central office supplies. and there is nothing on the west region. That's what we selected, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Right? See, we selected furniture is in east region, office supplies in central region, and office supplies in south region.
Okay. So here what is happening according to my understanding right now is
Mm-hmm.
in East, whatever the furniture categories are there, that is getting into one group,
Hmm.
and then office supplies in the central categories are clubbing into one group,
No, no.
and then
All these
office
three
supplies.
together are one group.
So all these
This,
three together are again one group.
yeah, this is
Okay. Yeah.
one combination. This is another combination. This is another combination.
Okay.
All these three
These three are
different,
individual combinations and three together in one combination.
yeah, three together is a group. This is not a group.
Okay. This is okay.
This is a dimension member.
Subgroups.
That's it.
Dimension member. Okay.
Yeah, I mean it is just like earlier the
It
dimension
is
member.
also getting group, you can say, as a subgroup.
No, 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 not like that. It is a dimension member. Right now we are considering two different dimensions and created a dimension member. You can consider it as a
Okay.
concatenation of multiple dimensions. But
Okay.
ultimately, this is group, not this one.
Okay. Okay.
I
Okay.
mean,
Yeah.
for a group,
Oh,
the paperclip icon is displayed. It is represented by paperclip
okay.
icon. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
and
So these are treated as dimensions again.
yeah, and you can
Okay.
give any alias. You can apply. You can rename also. Let's uh, best performers. Okay, something like that.
Okay.
Okay, you can give alias. Okay, if you want, you
Okay.
ungroup this.
Okay.
If you want, you can ungroup this. Right?
Okay.
If you want to
Okay. Yeah.
create a group, you can create a group here also.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
and if you want to create more groups, let's say, so there are more groups. If you want to swap across the groups, you can swap them across the groups.
Okay.
Okay. Alternatively, you can choose right click and say add to any group. Okay.
Okay.
There are more options you can go through. I mean, those are standard options. You can go through them. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool, right? And here you can search, like let's say east. Okay, contains, or I want to search in one particular group. I can highlight all the values, or I can go one after the other. Okay,
Okay.
so here we can apply wildcard search. Okay,
Okay.
so that is about grouping. We have discussed about grouping individual dimensions as well as grouping multiple dimensions.
Okay.
Clear,
Yeah.
right?
Clear.
Any questions?
No.
Okay, so I mean we have discussed about editing groups also. We have discussed about why groups are used, and how to create groups, and how to edit groups, and how to create groups across multiple dimensions. And just like grouping dimension members, we can apply grouping on the measures also. Once we create grouping on the measures, it will be converted into, of course it is created as a this thing only, dimension only. Okay, I can apply group and hide discount. Okay, discount
Okay.
group. Here you can give whatever name you want. Discount group. It is added in dimensions only. You can apply
Okay.
a grouping on the measure values also, but it is a dimension number.
Okay.
Okay, Let us see how it is. Like this.
Okay. Yeah.
Clear, right?
Got it.
Okay.
Yes, clear.
So that is about grouping and sorting.
Measures.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So let us conclude it here. Sets we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Sets
Okay.
is.
Tomorrow same time or?
Uh, I mean, I cannot assure you. I will try as early as possible because you said. But before 7:30, any day.
Saturday.
Okay. Any day before
Okay, sure.
7:30 maximum I will try. Okay. That's the reason I'm
Okay.
sending meeting link every day. Or if you are
Okay.
okay at 7:30, we can meet at 7:30 as a standard time. Up to you.
Whichever is convenient for you, that's okay.
Yeah, I cannot commit at 7 o'clock every day. That's the reason,
Okay, okay.
right?
If it is okay for you to have a session at 7:30 every day, then that's okay for me. That's not a problem.
Yeah.
I can just organize my things before and after. That's it.
Okay.
Doesn't make much difference.
Okay. Okay. I can make it. That's up to you.
Okay, then we'll fix to 7:30 then.
7:30. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. I mean, the
Okay.
thing is why I'm keeping it at 7 is it may extend sometimes. Here, see, it is a
The
separate topic.
possibility of explain.
Yeah, it is a separate
Yeah.
topic. So I can push it to tomorrow. But sometimes some topics I
Mm.
cannot leave in at middle.
So then that's okay. Then if you are like, yeah, it's up to you. If you are able to give me everyday link, if it's not a burden for you, then that's okay for me.
Yeah, it's not
I
a
can
burden for
start
me.
at.
It's not a burden for me. No problem. That is the reason I'm
Okay
trying
then. Yeah.
to start as early as possible without extending it. Sometimes I may
Yeah, that's
extend
fine.
it also when we are in the middle of the topic.
Okay, sure. Then that's okay. Then you
Better
can send
to
me the link
start as
for
early as possible, I
that's, yeah, it's good for me actually because I can complete early.
believe. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Sudhir, thank you.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
Yeah. I will send you this PPT also so you can go through each of the
I can
option
go
and
through it.
practice. Okay.
Topic.
Uh,
Sure. Yeah.
cool.
Thank you. And what about the videos? Will you be able to send it tomorrow?
Yeah, end of.
Because I have time tomorrow and I can just go through all the videos tomorrow and once again.
Okay, no problem. I will send it tomorrow all together.
Okay.
Or if you want to send me, if
Okay.
you have time, I can send now itself. If you want, that doesn't cost me.
Yeah, if you can send it now, then yeah, tomorrow because I can just sit and read whole day.
Okay, cool. I will send it.